Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, Long Bob Iacino. So, Nikola 4-hour chart holding the rotation zone, trying to get a rotation up. Some minor level right here. Let me mark that off. There's a key level right about here. So, 68.10 area. If we start moving above that tomorrow, we'll start watching for that 73.24, 75, 76, 78.27 area that I'm really watching. There's minor support about 65.30, but the major area I'm still watching is a 63. If we get a move below 63, I'll start watching for this tail area with the bottom of the rotation zone coming in about 60. And then below 60, I'm going to jump out to the daily chart. So you see that 63 level right where the daily rotation zone is. So if we start breaking into that, get below 60, then 57, and below 57, if we had a bigger sell-off, looking for about 53, which is that last swing low, 53.10 to be exact. Bottom of the rotation zone on the daily coming in at 50, so that's the major support area on the daily chart. Right now, still, we got the 4-hour rotation zone positive and the daily rotation zone, so it has to start breaking some of these key support levels in order for us to start watching for the bigger pullback. It's been basing sideways. It still can't get 8 pushing the price on the daily. It started to get a little traction today, but it's still, these are the two key levels we're really watching, 68.10 area, and then to the upside for a close above, and then 63, a close below to the downside. Those are our two significant areas. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.